Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is me Ramsha Sultan and today I'm going to tell you guys a Ramadan diet plan. Now this diet plan will help you guys to maintain your existing weight and also help you to loosen a little bit of weight. So let's get started with the video. Let's start with Sehri. First things first, never ever miss your Sehri. And especially Sehri has so many blessings in it, so don't ever try to miss your Sehri. In Sehri, try to eat things that digest slowly, like roti, red meat, eggs, brown rice, oats, or any milk-derived substances like curd or paneer. Also have a handful of nuts like almonds and walnuts. Avoid drinking tea or coffee because it dehydrates the body and it will make you feel thirsty all throughout the day. If you are really confused what to eat in Sehri, just go for the simple kebab parathe and you will not feel hungry all day long. Kebabs are a very healthy option to eat in Sehri. Now let's come to what everyone waits for, and that is Iftar. Break your fast with 1 or 2 dates, which is a sunnah. Dates actually quickly replenish your body of all the vitamins and minerals that your body has been lacking. Then drink at least 1 glass of water because your body has been deprived of water all day long, so you want to quickly replenish your body of all the water content that it was missing. Then try to eat fruit chaat. Fruit chaat has different kinds of fruits in it, and fruits have natural sugar which give an instant boost of energy to the body. Avoid eating fried food at Iftar because it will make you gain a lot of weight. Avoid processed drinks like ready-made juices. Instead, try to make your own fresh lemonade. After this, you can go and pray Maghrib, and after that, when you come back, you can actually eat proper dinner which contains roti, red meat, any kind of salan or sabzi. Have a good diet before going for Taraweeh. While offering Taraweeh, make sure to keep sipping water because you need to replenish your body from water. Before sleeping, have a glass of hot milk with honey in it. It will help you sleep better. Now this is for all the ladies. Go a little easy on cooking. The time before Iftar is the golden time and you need to sit down and make lots of duas instead of frying more and more pakoris. And that's it. Just follow these simple tips. Just try to eat healthy in Ramzan. Avoid any kind of fried or processed foods and you will be good to go. And lastly, I would like to say that Ramzan is not only about eating or not eating. It is a month wherein you reconnect with your own self and with your Creator. It is a month which enriches your soul and it gives you peace of mind, which is more important than any kind of physical aspects that we look into. This is a very blessed month. Make lots and lots of duas and stay positive. By the way, if you like the scarf that I'm wearing right now, you can actually purchase it from my website ramshasultan.com. And yes, don't forget to follow me on Facebook and Instagram to know me a little more. This is me, Ramsha Sultan, signing off.